Are you ready to rock the ribbon with us? It's time! I'm singing it! Let's do it! Bloomerinos, yep, it's that time where we're going to pull out all the things peppermint and get with it. Today we're tying a luxurious bow that is led by this 4-inch gorgeous. It's got a beautiful sheen to it. It's got a little bit metallic, but it definitely has those silver and white undertones, and it's almost pearlized. So that is going to be our base ribbon, and of course I couldn't resist a glitter beautiful peppermint. And then here we've added a little bit of a window pane with tinsel silver to really pick up the silver. We're going to be using this bow in a project. Yep, you are going to love that project. So if you want to know where we use it, just let us know here in the comments. We'll get you a link to the project also. But we need some silver in there too. So this is why this is just a perfect combination. So get ready. We're going to build this together, Bloomerinos. It's going to be a lot of fun. All right, guys. So we've got our color palette laid out here. And we're going to start with our 4-inch ribbon in the back. So I'm going to pull these off to the side. And I love this combo. This is available in the kit for this project. You can get these exact ribbons. Now, we are going to be making a big swag bow. So what that means is I need a longer tail because I want it to really come out of this swag gorgeously. So this 4-inch ribbon is really pretty if we just curl it up on the end. I think it looks very nice, or we can cut and dovetail it. So you can decide. I'm gonna start with a dovetail. We can always switch back to the curl. So a dovetail is just kind of a chevron or a V cut in the ribbon. So I just folded it and then I cut it from the fold up. And so it makes this little angle, and then when you open it up, ta-da, there it's called a dovetail in the industry. But it is a pretty, just a pretty V cut in there. So if you go the whole length of this bow maker, it's 20 inches. So I'm going to come right to the center, and I am going to twist right hand forward, left hand back. All right. Now I'm going to start really big over here at 7 inches. When it's big 4-inch ribbon, I think it's luscious, and I like to really get it out there and make it the star of the show. So scrunch this, then twist. That helps you get a little better, cleaner twist in the middle. And watch that loop. I want it to be all the way out to 7 inches. And sometimes when you twist, it shrinks down on you. So hold that thumb there, then scrunch. The neat thing is when you do grab our kits, they generally, any type of wreath kit is coming with a whole roll of ribbon. So you're going to have extra ribbon that you can use to make fun bows for other things to go with that kit. I love that we're able to do that. So it just makes it a little bit more, you know, go a little further. Okay, that's our little tail there. So both our tails are done. 20-inch tails are just going in the background right now. Oh, this ribbon is juicy. I knew it would be. I knew we had to have it because it was just really juicy. Okay, next layer, candy. Grab the candy. I'm going to move my picks over just a little bit. With the candy, I'm going to cut it at an angle. And if it's on the right side of the bow like this is, it's going to cut at a right angle. So I'm going to do that. And we're going to add that right in here and let that cascade down. And now my right hand's going to go forward, my left hand's going to go back, and then I'll bring my fingers to the center. And I'm going to go in here at 6 inches. 6 inches. Twisting. 6 inches on the right, and then I'm going to take my right hand forward, left hand back, and let's just make these loops come to life. The candy, it's just so luxurious, but festive. Like, I want to go to this candy land. I want to hang out and get some amazing treats. I want to get the treats. Ooh, peppermint sounds great right now. With all the coughing I've been doing, peppermint is excellent. Okay, we can see we've laid out our next layer, and I am ready to put in our silver now. We really want to pop that silver in there, and I want to make some extra tails because this ribbon is so fun. It's frilly. It's got that frilly fringe edge. So go ahead and pop in a set of tails. So all this is tails right now, okay? No loops yet. So that's an extra set, and I made that just as long as my back ribbon. So that's 20 inches, 20 on the back. Now I'm going to take, and we're going to make another tail that's a little shorter, about 18, 16, something like that. And we're going to make a couple loops because I'm going to mix this in here, really pretty. And we're going to do 2, and we're going to put them all the way out, so a little bit longer. Twist when you come to the center. We want these to fill in and be really whimsical when they go in here. Let me double check my twist. For some reason that wasn't laying right. There we go. Nothing like a wimpy twist. We can't have wimpy twists. They gotta be strong so they'll look really, really full and pretty, because that's what we want. We want it to look pretty. It's Christmas time. We've been waiting all year to get to have some fun with our Christmas. I'm gonna cut these at opposite angles, guys. And I prefer them to go in. Now, it doesn't really matter with this ribbon. You can cut it just straight across. It's gonna be hard to see the cut, so we're good. Okay, now, bring back your 4-inch. We wanna really bring that color from the back to the front. That is something we teach in design school. Really super important. And if I bring this tail now, I want it to be much shorter because I don't want it to cover up all my pretty other ribbon. So we're gonna go about 12 inches on this tail and twist so it just layers in there really pretty. And this loop, we're gonna have it at 5, much shorter. Scrunch and then twist. It's a little bit easier to do when we're making little loops. And this one, I'm gonna put it at 5 and scrunch it just down really pretty. See it coming together? So classy. So classy. I'm gonna trim this one and then we'll take and dovetail it as well. Now, you can layer up as many layers as you want, but I am happy with this right here. So I'm gonna stop here. And now I'm gonna take a cable tie. You can use a wire, whatever you prefer. I like cable ties. I'm gonna run it right beside my dowels, and I'll add some pressure right here to get it tight. Once I've done that, I'm ready to go ahead and fluff this puppy up. So I'm gonna rotate that around back and start to fluff out my layers right here. Isn't that great? Look at all the pretty dimension, y'all. You're gonna have to see the video we use this in. You are going to love the whole finished project. It is beautiful. Now rotate this behind and we're going to add a cable tie right to the center. And that's how I'm gonna attach it to my finished wreath that we put it in. Now I'm gonna trim this off. Now the fun part is you get to accessorize the center. Just kind of like your purse or your shoes on your outfit. We're gonna accessorize the middle. And I know for me, the perfect choice is my candy, because my candy's really gonna pop. So I'm gonna pull out a strip of my peppermint and I'll just leave it on the roll, slice this up about 20 inches, and we're good here. And then I'm gonna take and fold it on itself. And we're gonna run that right down the middle. Run it right down the middle so we have a beautiful center. Look at that. Isn't it looking amazing? Pop a knot in the back, just a regular crisscross over knot, like if you're tying your shoes, and then trim that off. Yep, we did it. This is a killer bow, y'all. Oh, it's gorgeous, luscious. Y'all, make sure you don't miss another video with us. We want to show you how to make beautiful things just like this. So like, subscribe, and follow wherever you're watching, because we're not only going to have fun with flowers, but we're going to rock the ribbon. I'll see you next time, Blue Merinos.